In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort data in Excel. If you work with lists, tables, dates, or numbers, sorting is one of the quickest ways to make your worksheet easier to read and analyze. Whether you want names in alphabetical order, numbers from smallest to largest, or dates from oldest to newest, Excel makes the process simple. To get started, open your Excel worksheet. Once your sheet is open, click any cell within the column you want to sort. This is important because Excel uses that selected cell to understand which set of data you want to organize. You do not need to highlight the entire column first. Just selecting one cell inside the data is usually enough. Next, go to the ribbon at the top of Excel and click the Data tab. This is where Excel keeps its sorting and filtering tools. So if you are looking for ways to organize your spreadsheet, this is the section you will use most often. Once you are in the Data tab, choose the sort option that matches the result you want. If you want to sort in ascending order, click Sort A to Z. For text, this means A through Z. For numbers, it means smallest to largest, and for dates, it means oldest to newest. This option is great when you want to organize information in a natural forward order. If you want the opposite result, click Sort Z to A. This sorts in descending order. For text, that means Z through A. For numbers, it means largest to smallest. And for dates, it means newest to oldest. This is especially useful when you want to quickly find the highest values or most recent dates first. After choosing your sort option, Excel may show a prompt asking how you want to handle the rest of the data. If that happens, select Expand the selection. Then click Sort. This step is very important because it keeps the entire row together. In other words, it prevents data from getting mismatched across columns. For example, if you are sorting a list of names with related numbers or dates beside them, expanding the selection makes sure each piece of information stays connected to the correct row. And that's it. Your data should now be sorted based on the column you selected. As a helpful tip, always take a quick look at your worksheet after sorting to make sure everything appears in the correct order and that all related data stayed aligned. Once you get comfortable with this, sorting becomes a fast and reliable way to clean up and review your Excel data.